Here we go. Boom.
Brandon, this is my grail. Hi, watch friends. Welcome back to What's in the Box. Hi, Brandon.
Hey.
Awesome to see you.
Good to be here.
I'm Emily. I'm our Senior Marketing Manager here at Bob's Watches.
And I'm Brandon, the Director of Vintage here. And I can't wait to see what's in the box.
Hey, so if you guys are unfamiliar, each week we are now basically surprising our own selves with unboxing and getting a first look at something fresh off of the delivery truck. So we are curating, we are having conversations with a lot of people, but this is our true first look at some of these pieces. So we are excited to figure out what in the world we're gonna unbox together. Before we do this though, Brandon, I would love to see, what are you wearing?
I've got on a vintage Datejust 1603. It's got the wide boy dial in hands. What are you wearing today?
That looks great on you.
Oh, thank you.
I've got on a
little Datejust. Oh,
it's an Oyster Perpetual. I know. That's why I was
that.
like, oh, you like it?
That's cool.
I really like this watch.
Without the date, that's pretty sweet.
I know, it threw me off for a little bit, but this is definitely more of a
clean.
clean, simplistic dial. Just a simple day here.
Yeah.
Nothing big. What are you guys wearing at home? Be sure to let us know. It's always fun to kind of get to respond back to you guys and hear what you guys have chosen for the day.
Yeah.
All right, I want to know, where is this box and when do we get to open it?
Okay, here it is.
We will hide this label. Where is it coming to us from? Looks like
from
Tennessee.
Okay.
All right.
Nice.
Happy to see what's in here today. I kind of want to be surprised. Would you mind opening this one today?
I'd love to.
I'll clean it up.
Okay.
It's a small box.
It's a little box, but it's not a box from any maker or anything.
Okay,
so
okay.
We don't know.
So we don't know the brand yet. Okay.
Do you want me to take a peek?
Yes, you can look. I will look away.
Okay.
Is it exciting?
It's pretty exciting.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so let's
something you don't see every day.
It's something we don't see every day. All right. How do we start this out? Is it modern or vintage?
It's vintage.
It's vintage?
It's vintage.
Brandon. All right, it's vintage. Should we just go for it? Is this a 1016?
No.
Am I gonna get so excited today?
It's not. But that was a good guess.
It was?
I like where your head's at, but.
Okay, so what's my next question? Let's say, is it a sports watch?
No.
It's not?
It's not.
Okay, are we going like a cool, okay, I would love to see like a vintage date. Is this like a super cool date?
It's not, but you could wear it on a date.
Because I know it's gotta be a Rolex.
I'll give you that. It's a Rolex.
It is a Rolex?
It's a Rolex. Big surprise.
All right, I guess my final guess is a date. I'm gonna say a date. I didn't ask if it's precious metal or anything, but all right, let's reveal. I'm excited.
All right.
Show me the goods.
Okay, here we go. Boom.
Brandon, this is my grail.
It's definitely grail worthy.
It doesn't have the box, but you guys, this is a Rolex Cellini.
Yep, it's a Cellini. Well, it's a King Midas.
It's a King Midas.
Yeah.
Does it say King Midas on the dial?
On the side. It says King Midas right here, but it says Cellini on the dial.
Oh, it has the Cellini dial. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. Which is
well, more than anything, this is in 18 karat yellow gold.
Yep.
Which I am so excited. The last King Midas we had, honestly, like a quarter ago, so like 3 or 4 months ago, was in white gold.
Yeah, that was
which
a nice one.
It's a lovely watch, but I am so partial to the yellow gold version.
Yeah, it's pretty. Look at this thing.
That thing looks like it's in great condition.
Yeah, I mean, it's really nice.
I really love the left-handed configuration here. It just is really clean and simple on the wrist. The case is so comfortable too. Obviously, you're not getting a date. You're not getting a day. This is really just a time-only function, but it's like a sculptural, like architectural piece on your wrist. To me, this is jewelry. Yes, I'm a fan. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we just got this.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited too. I do love these King Midas. You know, Elvis wore one.
Yes.
So if it's good enough for him, it's good enough for me.
Do you know what his was? Was his yellow gold or was his white gold?
His was yellow gold. Yeah, the king himself.
Okay.
The other king.
I am obsessed. So obviously this is all gold, from the dial to the case to the bracelet.
All gold.
Let me see what size-wise it is. I would love to put this on.
Yeah,
hands are gold. So pretty. I do love the dials that say Midas on it. Even that like font that they use is
cool.
so beautiful too.
Yeah,
all right,
so
let me take this off.
Let's see the size of this. Why don't you try it on, Emily?
Yeah, let's look.
Here you go.
I am awestruck. I don't even know what to say.
Yeah, these are great. They've gotten a little more popular lately too.
Of course. Well, Rihanna wearing it, and she had it customized. It was kind of in its own deconstructed state, which was really great. But wow, look at this.
Take a link out, it's perfect.
Yeah, this watch looks so good though on anyone's wrist. no gender applied. I really, really love this. Something I learned though recently, there's also a Queen Midas.
Oh yeah, the smaller size where it says Queen on the side.
Yeah, let me take this off so you can kind of note this. This blew my mind.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm learning, like watches is such a fun world, and I guess for me, I have enjoyed it so much because I'm constantly learning. And with King Midas being my grail, I had a really cool opportunity. You and I were just having this conversation about a Queen Midas.
Yep.
I don't know if you guys have heard of this, so sorry if this is not new to you, but for a smaller version of the King Midas, they actually dubbed it the Queen Midas. And this wasn't just a nickname that kind of took hold.
Yeah.
It really was engraved on the watch itself as Queen Midas, even on the bracelet. Eric Wind obviously was kind of one that I went to see a little bit more of the details when he had his own hands-on moment with them. Super fun. Happy that we've got a King Midas. This obviously has just come in, so it's got to make its way through our service and whatnot, but soon enough you will find this on our new arrivals page, so bobswatches.com/new arrivals. Every day we're adding new watches. Here very soon, this one's going to make its way over there.
Yeah.
I am obsessed.
Yeah, these are awesome.
We get great watches all the time too, but honestly, I haven't seen one like this in months.
It's been a while since we had a King Midas.
Makes me so happy.
These always sell kind of fast.
Yeah, they do.
Again, the demand for these have definitely gone up just because of the awareness.
Yeah.
More people know about them.
Yeah, and obviously this one did not come with box or papers, so this is a standalone piece, but standalone in all of its glory.
Yeah,
How
I
fun.
love that. It's just like flat. It's cool.
Well, a very surprising what's in the box. I cannot wait to be back next week and see what else we uncover then. So thank you guys all for tuning in with us. We will be back again soon. Until then though, be well.